Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And here we have it again. Today we have the Genesis, and I'm gonna do a little FPV flying. I got some noodles set up over there. I got two little, I want to say about 2 yards apart set of noodles put together, guys, so that way I could practice how to fly between things and see how that goes. So let's get right in the air, man. Now, I did order a run cam thumb, so that should be here by Monday, and I can't wait, so that way we could get the footage from the plane on there. But all right, let's get in the air. So I was able to get one a little bit. Let me do this other approach. It's a little hard to see them with this FPV setup. Oh! It looks like I got it. It looks like I got it. What you guys think? I hope you guys are able to see that. Oh! It looks like I got it in the video. All right, that one's right here. Whoo, let's see if we can hit that one coming back. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! That's nice. Let's see if we can get it in there and ready for the one that's straight above us. Oh! Yo, I did it. I went right through it. Oh! Yo, I did it. I went right through it. Guys, I went right through it. Try to go through the other one. Ooh! Ah! I got it. I got it. I got it. I think I'm able to do this now. Especially with this plane. Guys, this is dope. Let's try to hit that other one. I'm sorry if I'm not getting the plane too much in the footage. I literally have the GoPro mounted on my chest. All right, that was a good approach. Now let's go straight on right in. Oh, it's over here on this side. Woohoo! Woo! This is awesome. I'm over here right now, somewhere over there. Now let's try to get that other one that's right here. Woo! That was nice. See if we can hit it going that way. Woo-hoo. All right, let's try one more time to do the one that's in front of us. Good approach. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yo, let's bring her in right for a landing, man. Let's bring her in right for a landing. Wow, that was nice. That was absolutely amazing. Let's bring her right in. Smooth. Smooth. That was smooth, guys. That was smooth. I hope we was able to see that. I definitely do hope we was able to see that. Now, that was awesome. That was awesome. I'm sorry that the videos are very short, but I think the concept is very good. But that's it. That's it for this nice little clip. Now, the next time we're gonna be flying, we're gonna have the run can thumb on there, and we're actually gonna see that firsthand. All right, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative.